Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on Reddit. So if you find this video useful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Reddit, click on your profile icon on the top right, then go to settings at the bottom. Once you're on here, go to account settings at the top. And then if you scroll down, underneath safety, you should see manage blocked accounts. So you just want to click on there. This will bring up all the accounts that you've blocked. So obviously all you'll need to do is just select unblock on the right hand side, and that will unblock that account. You can obviously also block it again if you want to do so, and you can also find different accounts if you may know the names, and you can block them as well. Thanks for watching,